Hello everyone. I have been getting many calls from IT professionals regarding Anthropic's Claude and recent market reactions. Instead of panic, let us have a clear and practical look what's really happening in IT market. My name is Pinchal Prasad. I'm a DevOps and cloud trainer. I have 22 years of IT experience and I'm founder of SR Technologies. As I said, I've been receiving many calls from my old students and other IT professionals asking that what is the impact of Anthropic Claude on IT careers? Also, they're asking, is AI going to replace IT jobs? Honestly, I see panic everywhere. In this video, let us commonly understand what's really happening in IT market. But more importantly, how we can stay ahead. Whenever something big happens in technology, panic is normal because recently we saw a huge shock in international stock markets. You can even call it as a bloodbath. Many IT companies lost crores of rupees in market value. Because of this, IT professionals started worrying about their careers. But I want to ask you one thing. Is this really because of Anthropic Cloud alone? Before deciding anything, let us clearly understand what the real problem is. Then only we can give the correct answer. But as IT professionals, we should not react emotionally. We should pause, analyze, and understand the situation clearly. First, let us understand the basics. What is Anthropic? Anthropic is a company and it has developed a new AI tool called Claude AI, just like a ChatGPT from OpenAI. Claude AI is another AI language model. Also, it's not something new completely. It is a part of regular AI technology evaluation. Here we are forgetting something important, that the same fear existed when ChatGPT was released, when DeepSeek came into the picture. At that time also people said IT jobs are finished, developers will be replaced. But what happened? Nothing like that. This is not a first time and it won't be the last time. Will AI replace IT professionals? Let us be very clear here. AI will not replace IT professionals. AI will help IT professionals. AI tools like a Claude will help in a coding assistance and speed up the documentation and improve productivity, also support in a day-to-day IT activities. AI is a tool, not a replacement. As IT professionals, we no need to scare about new AI technologies like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Anthropic Claude, etc. So tomorrow some new tool may come, but still no need to be panicked. So because it's a part of a regular evaluation of this IT and AI technology. And you should remember one thing. Earlier, that means long ago, we used to use only physical servers. Later, we started using virtual servers. Then later again, we started using Docker package. But now we are migrating everything to cloud. So this also seen like a part of evaluation. Earlier, we used to do only manual deployments in our software applications. But now we are using DevOps tools like Kubernetes, Docker, Terraform, and other tools. So this is also same like that. And again, you should remember one thing. You should be able to use AI in your day-to-day activities, irrespective of technology. Either you are from development background or database background or DevOps background, whatever it may be. So you should learn AI technologies, AI languages. It will help you in your day-to-day activities, actually. It will not replace you. So that is sure. So that is the reason I started teaching AI-assisted DevOps. So I just added AI technology into my regular DevOps courses. I'm getting very good response from IT industry and from my students also. Yeah. You also please make sure you are using AI in your day-to-day activities. My honest suggestion to all IT professionals and my students, don't overthink Anthropic Claude. Don't panic about market news. Your IT careers are safe, but learn continuously and adapt to new AI tools. Also, try to use AI tools in your day-to-day activities. Yeah. Please subscribe my channel to get more technical videos and general topics about IT industry. And also, I am giving free cloud courses in my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to like and share this video so that it will reach a lot of people and it will help a lot of learners who wants to learn cloud courses free of cost. Thank you. See you in another video.